The results of the fatty liver study are very encouraging. Why? Because we think that the liver repair must involve mesenchymal stem cells that are released naturally as the fat contents are released into the blood. The stem cells are also released into the blood. And these stem cells can differentiate into mesenchymal stem cells and hepatocytes, and they are involved in the liver repair and detoxification. So that's extremely important. So what we looked at is when you do studies with mesenchymal stem cells, what you see is that ALD or albumin, ASP, AST, all those variables, creatinine and bilirubin, all those variables, as well as triglycerides, of course, because that's what creates the fatty liver, and VLDL, all of those variables become optimal after 15 treatments. So we think that the Virtue Gym basically helps in the natural release of the stem cells into the bloodstream. And of course, it creates energy in the mitochondria by burning the glucose. But at the same time, it has these stem cells available to repair the liver. That's why in ultrasonography reports, we see a significantly improved liver, non-alcoholic liver disease is significantly improved. And in most cases, about 70% of cases, the liver appears normal. So results are very encouraging.